My name is Fiona McLaughlin, and I go to the Thatcher School in California.
My name is Howard Lee, and I'm from South Kent School.
I'm Sophie, and I'm from Massachusetts, and I go to Parker Charter School.
I was sort of giddy on Friday, like, oh my gosh, I get to go on solo soon.
When I saw the moon, I kind of like connected the dots to a poem I learned when I was in primary school, talking about how bright the moon is. When I was in my hometown, urban area city, I never get a chance to see such a full moon. Right now, I think I finally understand the poem.
Like the class before, I talked a lot about like the tide changes and the moon phases, and I was right by the water, so I was watching the tide go in and out, and it was really cool to like know what was going on and like the science behind that, as well as just like I knew the names of all the trees in my campsite, and I could recognize a lot of the bird calls, which was cool. I was like, oh, that one's a raven and that one's a crow. I never would have been able to do that before this.
It was really a joyful moment for me to woke up and by the sound of the birds.
I kind of allowed myself just to take it as it came and just slow down and enjoy being outside.
I actually spent like probably more than half my time in my hammock, just like watching the water, not really doing anything in particular at all. It was really awesome.
I had a little bit of, difficulty, and I had to work on my resilience because I didn't have enough ridgeline at first, but then, getting creative and improvising with a shoelace, and I had enough rope, and I stayed dry in the rain, and just being able to work through that was pretty amazing.
I felt like a lot of gratitude over my solo for my parents and like my family and friends and like the people that have made me who I am basically, and so I wrote a few letters also to those people, and it was really nice. Yeah.
Thinking about all of my friends out on the neck with me, we still felt sort of together, but it was nice to be able to take the time to step away and reflect.
I could really just have all the time in the world I needed to just think.
I feel like I'll always remember my solo spot.